Want to stop your iPhone from autocorrecting what you type? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off autocorrect on iPhone. Now let's get started. To turn off autocorrect on your iPhone, open your Settings app. Select General. Then scroll down and tap Keyboard. Now tap the switch labeled Autocorrection to turn off autocorrect. Now you can go about your typing without worrying about your words being automatically corrected to something else. That's all it takes to turn off autocorrect on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.